Hey everyone, okay, so once in a blue moon, a product comes along that is so divisive that I don't know whether I love it or absolutely hate it. And it would be this one here from Swede. Now they're known for making really good eyelashes. They're also known for a mineral highlighter unlike any you've ever seen. Now I've spoken about this before. I do not know what to think of it, and you'll see why. So I'm going to get some in the lid, buff it in, and let's start. So I'm going to buff this into the skin, and I don't know if you are noticing, but you will in a sec. I'll do some on there, you go. See what's happening? This offers, or in my mind, this is the shiniest, most luminescent, light reflecting mineral foundation I have ever tried, ever. And I don't know what to make of it. And that's the truth. I don't know if it's amazing or absolutely inappropriate. So I'm just going to let you guys decide. So I'm not going to build any more coverage than that, because I think that's enough. And let me get the finish for you. To me, it has a very metallic feel to it. But to give it balance, I'm going to apply a bit of bronzer and a bit of blusher just to give dimension, because we don't normally just walk around with foundation on unless we don't want to go to work. So we're going to look poorly. And then I'm going to add a bit of blusher. Okay, so here's my thoughts. The first one is that it's definitely better with other products on it. There is some balance now. But if I was to use a shimmery blusher and a shimmery bronzer, my opinion, it would be horrific. This adds balance. I don't think I'm a fan. I've said this before and I'm leaving it to you. You tell me. There's just something, I don't know, maybe in the camera when I film this and edit it, or my partner, it will look beautiful. But there is a lot of shine going on prior to me dampening it down. And I just don't think that is a beautiful thing. But let me know. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Bye-bye.